These are my top 5 tips for trimming pottery. And I guarantee if you implement all of these, trimming will become your favorite part of the process and not the nightmare headache that it probably is now. So let's get into it. My first tip is to connect the piece to the wheel using water. If you're just using lugs of clay, it's easy for the piece to fly off the wheel, which is the most annoying thing. So I take water to the rim of the piece, and then I push down and rub it in a circle till it suctions onto the wheel. Then I push it as close to the center as I can using the rings on the wheel. Now this is easy if you have a perfectly centered piece. If your piece is wobbly, go watch my last trimming video and I'll show you how to center a wobbly piece. Tip number 2 is always to be applying downward pressure. Now you can do this without this tool, but I find this super useful and I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. You place this in the center and it allows you to push downward pressure without your fingers moving. Now this is important because again, it keeps your piece from flying off the wheel, which is the most annoying part of trimming. Tip number 3 is to make the wheel go fast and hold your hands extremely steadily, like this. A mistake I see a lot of beginners make is having their wheel go really slow and their hands are not stable and kind of move with the wheel. And this makes it super wonky and not a smooth trim. So instead, keep your trim tool in one place and spin that wheel really fast. Tip number 4, if you get these indentations like this, that can look super annoying and usually means your piece is a little dry for trimming. So to fix it, take a metal rib tool, give it some water, and curve it and push into the piece while spinning slowly. This will smooth all of those ridges out and give you a nice smooth finish. Tip number 5 is to add a foot with a flat rim tool. The first thing I do is flatten out the side, and the reason a foot is so important is because it allows your piece to sit perfectly flat. It's really difficult to get this whole surface to be the exact same level, but it's much easier to get a foot to be level. So what I'm going to do is push into the very edge, this is where the foot's gonna be, and then I'm gonna use the corner of my tool here to make a line while it's spinning quickly, right about there. And then I use the rest of my trim tool to carve out the center. And that'll give you a perfectly trimmed piece. If you want more pottery tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.